A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. I hope you are clear what we have learnt in video lesson 1 of this chapter, that are the parts of the computer. Today we will learn how does a computer work. Today we will move on to the part 2 in that chapter. Now how does a computer works? Okay. As a human being, whatever you see, hear or touch works as an input data. This data is processed in your brain and the output is either expressed through speech or action. Now, dear children, as you are hearing me, you are watching the video. So, that is an input data. When you store that data in your brains and then when the end of the video lesson you give me answers, that is the output. When you are storing it in your brain, that is the processing, and when you are giving me the answers, that is the output and the result. Understood? In the same way, computer also does that. Similarly, a computer needs data to process and generate an output. So easy. This data can be letters, numbers, symbols and instruction. Now this data, the input data can be numbers, letters, instructions or anything else. A computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process and output. It works in 3 basic steps. The first one is input, process and output. Clear? We will see an example also. Okay. ये मम्मियों को तो देखना पड़ेगा. ओके. फॉर मेकिंग द चटनी व्हाट डज योर मॉम डू? दे मिक्स कोरिएंडर, सॉल्ट एंड ग्रीन चिली. मिक्स कर देती है ना. फिर उसको किस में मिक्स करती है? शी प्रोसेसेस इट इन द मिक्सर एंड वी गेट अ यम्मी चटनी. ओके. इट इज द आउटपुट. तो हमारा इनपुट क्या होगा? Coriander, salt and green chili. Then where it is being processed? In the mixer. Okay, that will be our processing. Then what is the output? Chutney, the yummy chutney which we get. Understood? Now when we want to have a mango shake, what will be the input for that? It will be mango, milk and sugar. ये 3 हमारे inputs हो जाएंगे. And where will the processing done? In the mixer. कहाँ पे juice बनेगा? Mixer में. And what we will get at the end? A yummy mango shake. Yes, and a very healthy one. So that will be our output. Is it clear to you children? How does a computer work? In the same way, a computer works like this only. It works on the 3 basic steps: input, process and output. Clear? Now we will study what is input. The data and the instructions that are entered into the computer is called input. जो भी हम computer को data और instructions देते हैं which are entered by us is known as input. The input devices are, now 3 input devices are keyboard, mouse and microphone. Keyboard we use to type, mouse and microphone. Mouse pointing device and microphone is to record voice. Means voice record कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ उसको input दे रहे हैं. Pointing device से हम अगर कुछ select करते हैं, that is also an input. And with the help of keyboard when we are typing it, that is also an input. Clear? You have to learn these 3 names. Keyboard, mouse and microphone are the 3 input devices. Okay? Next one is the processing. Now, as you are processing in your brains, okay, in the same way, computer also processes in the brain. Now, what is the brain of the computer? CPU. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. We have already studied that. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculation. This working is called processing. जो भी काम CPU करता है, that is known as processing. CPU का क्या काम है? To think and to do all the calculation, to do all the works of processing in the computer. Okay? Now what does output mean? जब हम input देते हैं, CPU process करता है. The brain of the computer processes it and we get a desired output. What is the output in the computer? Output means the final result. क्या है output? Means the final result. When the CPU finishes the processing the data, output devices are used to receive the output. Now with the help of these devices, we will get the result, we will get the output. The output may be in the form of words, letters, images or sounds. जो हम enter करेंगे in the form of that only we will get the output. Now what are the output devices? Monitor, printer, speakers and headphones. Monitor is like a TV screen, we get the desired result. Okay, printer हमको hard copy में मिलता है. Okay, we get it. It is also an output device. Speakers हम सुन सकते हैं, with the help of speakers we listen to music or sound, that is also an output device. And headphones, we can also listen with the help of the headphones. Clear? You have to learn these 4 names, what are the output device and what are the input devices. The next is the storage device. As we are storing the information in our brains, in the same way the computer also has a storage device. The storage device is a hardware that is used to store data and other information either temporarily or permanently. Now storage device क्या एक hardware है जो हमारी information store करता है computer में. Now some of the types of storage devices are hard disk. It is like a box. See, it looks like a box. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. I have shown you what is a CPU cabinet. वो उसके अंदर fix होता है. When you save a file on the computer, it is saved on the hard disk. जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं and when we are saving it on the computer, it is stored on the hard disk. Hard disk can be divided into small compartments called partitions to store different types of files. These partitions are called drives. अभी hard disk किसमें divided होती है? Small compartments में, and that are known as partitions. अभी हम जो फाइल सेव करते हैं, different फाइल सेव करते हैं in the partitions, and those partitions are known as drives. Clear to you children? The next one is a CD and DVD. Now you have already familiar with how CD looks like and how DVD looks like. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने देखा है. Both a CD and DVD are circular in shape. They are circular in shape and are of same size. वो दोनों same size के होते हैं और दोनों circle में होते हैं. But a DVD stores more information than a CD. अब DVD में हम ज़्यादा information store कर सकते हैं as compared to CD. Now, where we have to insert a CD? You can insert CD inside a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM device. हम CD कहाँ store कर सकते हैं, कहाँ insert कर सकते हैं? In the CD-ROM or DVD-ROM drive. And we can insert a DVD inside a DVD-ROM device. See, in the CPU cabinet there is a drive for CD and DVD. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, this is the CPU, okay, and here this is the drive for CD and DVD. Clear to you where you will insert a CD and DVD? Okay. Pen drive. Now a pen drive is also called a flash drive. See कितना छोटा सा है, इसमें भी हम information store कर सकते हैं. It is also known as a flash drive. It helps you to store and carry the data with you. It is easy to use and is small enough to be carried in your pocket. अब ये इतना छोटा है तो हम information carry कर सकते हैं. इसके अंदर हम अपने pockets में भी carry कर सकते हैं. It is very easy to use. It can store more data than a CD or DVD. वो CD और DVD दोनों से ज़्यादा data store कर सकता है. See, a pen drive looks like this. Clear to you children? Okay. Oh, worksheet time. This you have to do on page number 32 along with me. Okay. Take the input and the output devices of a computer. Choose the correct option. Now, first of all, tell me, keyboard, input or output device? You just have to tick it. Yes, input device. You will just tick it in your textbook. Mouse, input or output device? Yes, input device. Just tick on the input device. Then monitor, input or output device? Yes, it shows us the result. तो क्या होगा वो? Output device. So you will just tick here. These three you will do it on your own in the textbook itself after watching this video. Okay? Moving on to the next. The following are the names of output device. Fill in the blanks to identify them. Now we have to just fill in the blanks. The first one is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. You will just fill in the blank along with me. Okay. The next one is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. The third one, headphones. H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E. Headphone. The last one, speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Clear? Now this is a game. Okay. You have already done many a times crossword. Complete the crossword with the help of the clues given below. Okay. One or two I will do for you. It helps to listen to music across. That is a third one. It helps to listen to music across. That is a speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. You will write S as two speakers are being attached to the computer. Okay. Now the next one, downwards, it keeps the computer running in the absence of electricity. जब electricity नहीं होती तो भी computer run करता है for 5 to 10 minutes. What is known as downward? First one, UPS. Okay. Then it helps to write letters, numbers, etc. Second one, downwards. Yes, here it is, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Understood? Clear to you? The other you will do it on your own in the textbook itself after watching this video. I hope you are clear with this chapter. If you are having any doubts, you can call me. I will be sending the notes of this chapter as well along with this video. You have to complete it in your computer notebook in a very good handwriting, children. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.